Using the commands we've learned so far, along with some new ones, we'll now draw a spanner like the one in the reference image. Start by drawing circles on both ends and use the offset command to create the body of the spanner from the center line. Next, use the fillet command to connect the body curves and tail ends smoothly. To draw a polygon, first create a circle with the correct dimensions. We'll create a hexagon for the spanner head using the polygon command. Type pol, enter 6 for the number of sides, and select circumscribed around the circle. For the other side, type pol, enter 5, and select inscribed in circle to draw a pentagon. Then, draw a center line through the circle and use offset to mirror the geometry. To match the drawing exactly, use the fillet command again, enter a radius value, and clean up any unnecessary lines. To match the drawing on the right side, start by drawing a rectangle using the line command. Use the offset command to create spacing between lines. The corners of the rectangle are chamfered, so use the CHAMFER command to bevel them. Select the distance option, and enter X and Y values for the chamfer. Just like with fillet, select two lines to apply the chamfer. For the inside corners, use the fillet command with a radius value, and clean up the drawing with the trim command.